Push this little button right here, and you push it, and there we go. It's like magic. All right, today we're gonna be checking out the convertible top on these T-Birds. Now, I don't normally do it because it is such a hassle to take this big old top off. These top by themselves are worth some money, by the way, but they're real cumbersome, really heavy, so it's a multiple person job. But I'm gonna show you guys the process and how to take it out. You'll need one of these tools or something like it. They do come with like the Thunderbirds, but just whatever this looks like. So there's a hole right here. There's one on each side. So you need to get in here and get it right. There we go, in it. So you gotta release it. So there's one here and one right on the other side. So you just keep twisting and twisting and twisting. All right, looks like that side is good. So you'll go right to the other side and do the exact same thing. Line it up, make sure the thing's in there. Unscrew it. And again, I don't like to do this, but I do want to check the tops and make sure that they actually work. It's the only downside to having these auxiliary hardtops is once you put them on, you never take them off. All right, so now you got two latches right here in the back. You got one right here and then one directly on the other side. So just the lever's gonna be like this. You push that back, push this one back, and now the top should be undone.
Open it up.
Yeah, it should be just.
Is it sides open?
Yeah, look at that. It should be back there. There we go. You gotta push it back further.
Put it in further.
Push it all the way in.
Push it in. There we go.
There we go. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Watch it. So I'm going back here.
Turn it. Want to put this facing on the ramp?
It's gonna be down. Down like that. Heavy. Definitely a two-person job. So let's see if this top actually works.
Wow. Need to be cleaned up too.
Never tested it because it's such a hassle to take it off. Turn it on. Cross your fingers. First of all, yes. So there's a little button right here. Guess it don't work. Guess it don't.
Motor's down. Damn. Think you need to close the doors?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Windows down?
Ah,
I don't hear nothing there.
yeah, nothing. That sucks. Well,
No bueno.
guess it don't work in this one.
Let's try the white one then.
Yeah, we'll try the white one. Well, actually, we have to. All right, now let's try to take the roof off this Thunderbird. So same process as before, but you gotta get your little tool. You don't need this one specifically, but something that does match it. Line it up. Maybe a little tight if it hasn't been off in a while. Unscrew it. And just unscrew it for a little bit. Then it's done. Do the same thing for the other side, and then I'll show you how to undo the back catch. All right, get it in there, twist it. You feel the top release with all the pressure. Unscrew it for a bit. All right, then you get back here and make sure that these are pushed. These, the one on each side, make sure it's pushed all the way back. Do the same for the other side, then grab a buddy and lift the top off. All right, time to lift it off. Little head. See, it's hard to take off because it's not equally weighted out. The back's a lot heavier than the front part. So, cross your fingers. Let's hope this one works. Now this top looks in really good shape. But we'll see. Car's got 50,000 miles on it. See if it works. it on. Push this little button right here. And you push it. And there we go. It's like magic. And then you have a little latch right here to, you gotta then lock it into these little grommets right in here. You'll see some levers, and then lock them in, and then top is done. So soft top and hard top. So if this video helped you guys, and you guys have a Thunderbird, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because we post a lot of different kind of videos, tutorials, sales, day in a life. But yeah, hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.